kings and queens, it's your girl Fiery Empress K back at it again with another video. So today is going to be a slightly different video. It's going to be an unboxing video, and what I'm going to be doing is showing you my brand new camera. So this is going to be my first ever camera, okay guys? So
this is what my camera is.
Yes, that's my son talking in the background. So this is going to be my first ever camera unboxing review. Yes, so I'm pretty excited.
And you open it.
Yes, I'm gonna open
And take a picture from
it. Yes, I'm gonna take a picture. Alright guys, so yes. So actually how I came about getting this camera, one of my good girlfriends, I used to work with her. Her name is Sharona. Shout out to you, girl. Yes, she saw this on Amazon. It was for a good special. And she hit me up. She sent me the link. And yeah, so got it secured. I'm pretty excited. So yes, guys, let's do the unboxing. Alright, so I'm not gonna put the camera too much down on where I'm working from because you guys won't be able to see much of what's going on. So I'll definitely put it up so you can see once I have opened the box. Alright, so I'm just gonna take the tape off of it right now. And sorry, I did not mention what brand it is. It's a FHD with night shot. The brand of it is, yeah, FHD high definition. I don't see anything here other than that, so I guess that's what we're working with. It says FHD high definition digital video camera recorder. So yeah, let's go with that. So it's pretty secure, guys. It comes in this box right here. You can see it. I'll give you a full 360 just before I open it. Yep, so this is it right there. And we're gonna start opening. Alright, so I like what I see here so far. So this is what we would see when we first open the box. Alright, so you have a connection cable right here. So let me show it to you. Yeah, so you have the connection cables, and I like that they come with the secure caps on them as well. You have a stereo microphone manual.
And
Then you have
camera.
a user's manual. And it's pretty loaded with information, but it's in 2 different languages. So if you scroll to the further back of the manual, you'll see it in Chinese writing, but the front of it would mostly be, he wants to come in the video, guys, so let me scoot over. Come. So this is Jacan. This is my son. He's 3 years old. Say hi to the camera. Say what's up, my kings and queens. Take your hand out your mouth and talk to them. Say what's up, my kings and queens. He actually shy. Oh, what kind of story this? Alright guys, so we're gonna be doing the unboxing together, I guess. Alright, so this is a manual like I was showing you. It's a tape, baby. Yeah. Alright, so when I took out the manual and the cable, you're just gonna see the white box right here by itself. Then we're gonna lift that up because that's an opening as well, and then you will see everything else inside. Yes, so that's a remote. Perfect. Show them the remote. No, show them the remote. Yes, so you have to turn it around so they can see the remote. Yes, so that's the remote. It comes with a portable charging head right here inside. So even if you want to reuse the little bags of the sticky tape that's supposed to secure the sticky part. So you can definitely use that. Once you want to reuse the bags, it comes with a cable right here. I think this is to connect the microphone to the camera. We also have the microphone right here that can, you're not doing anything else with mama?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the microphone. Hold on, you have to be gentle. This is the microphone, guys. It's pretty tight. I love it. Don't do that.
It's spinning.
Yes, it is spinning. So this is it. You can hold it, but you have to hold it pretty carefully. Okay? And it also comes with 2 batteries, but guys, I had to open it to see what was inside. So yes, I did open it, and I put one of the cameras. Don't do that. Give it to me, baby. I put one of the cameras inside of one of the batteries inside of the camera already. Alright, so yeah, I cheated. It's a part of life sometimes. And you have the, I don't know if this is supposed to be for the, don't stretch it, right? This is supposed to be for the microphone or the audio or something of that nature, but I'll definitely learn how to use this as we go along more. So we're no longer recording from phones, guys. So we have upgraded. And this I truly love. The reason why I love this, because that's all that was in the box, guys. So we already showed you what was in the box. So this is the camera. Alright, so I love this little pouch that it is in. It's pretty much secure. It has a little loop here that you can either push through if you have like a little, belt or whatever to push it through to secure it on your waist, on your neck, whatever. Yeah, leave that baby. Yes. So yes, so I love the little pouch that it comes in. You can definitely put some form of secured string, put it around your neck, have it as a sash, what have you. And the final reveal for the camera, I love it, guys. So this is the camera. Yes, look at his reaction. Mommy, it smells so nice. Yes, so this is the camera. It comes with a lens. Mind you guys, I used to do photography, videography, and all that good stuff. I went to school for it, so your girl is well educated, well certified, and all that good stuff. But I don't dabble into that anymore. I basically stick to what I'm good at. That's being an optician, of course. And yes, I retouched my roots and all that good stuff. And I did a little style. I didn't record it. I'm so sorry, y'all. It's just a 2-strand twist. If you guys would like to see me record myself doing my 2-strand twists, sit down, baby. Cool. Yes, cool out. Okay? You can show them your hair. So yes, if you guys want to see me, do these 2-strand twists, mind you, I did not take any time to part out anything. I just grabbed and I twisted my hair. I don't have no time for that. Other people, I would neaten up the parts and all that good stuff, but since my hair is bleached, I just think that it didn't really make much sense to part out your hair when nobody can really see the parts. If you feel me. So yeah, so this is the camera. Okay, so let me show you guys. So this is the top of it. So this is where you actually connect the microphone. I don't want to embarrass myself by doing so now, so I'll just wait a little bit. Let me see if we can do this now. Yes, it's pretty easy. What? Girl, you were embarrassing yourself. So yeah, it's pretty simple. You tighten it by screwing this screw right here, and we're ready to record. If you feel me, it's so convenient. So yeah, you have these adjustable zoom in, zoom out buttons here, record button here, and as you open this here, you're gonna see it pops up welcome on the screen. So it's showing you myself. Is it focusing? Alright, so guys won't be able to see, but I'm zooming in and zooming out on myself. And yeah, it's a vibe. I truly love it, and we are feeling it. I love it so far. Definitely have to get my tripod and all that good stuff for it. So yes guys, we're cooking with gas right here as we speak on your girl Fari Empress K channel. So we have officially got our first recording video for our vlogs and all that good stuff. You open the battery, guys. Who else have a 3-year-old or a toddler? Let me know so we can team up on them together, because they feel they have more head than you in most things. So yeah, that was that. I pretty much enjoyed this short video with you all. Definitely keep posted for more updates from your girl. If you guys also want to see more of Japan, let me know. Yes, I'm seeing how this can be adjusted or anything like that. Just tampering, you know how it goes. Why are you doing that? Don't open that, Papa. Why you so? You opening the stuff and them and they're not ready to be opened. Yes guys, so that's the end of our video. Come tell them bye bye. Come.
Bye bye.
Tell them we love you. Mwah. Yay. Bye y'all. Love you guys.